Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. Today is Monday, 28th of September, 2020. We are studying Unit 1, Lesson 3, Sum It Up. First of all, girls, remember the first page of our lesson. I told you that after giving our lesson, you will be able to answer this question. And this question is in page 23. Page 23. Okay, guys? Can you all open with me page 23?
Okay.
Page 23. What did this scientist do prior to starting her experiment with plants? First of all, as a scientist, what do you do before you or to do an experiment? What do you do first of all? Judy, I want you because Judy, she said she can't understand very well, so I want to help her. And please, guys, help me here. Judy, first thing before you do your experiment, what do you think you are going to do?
Ask question.
Good, excellent. First of all, you are going to ask a question. After you ask a question, what are you going to do?
Hypothesize.
Wow, good job. You make a hypothesis. Excellent. What else?
Plan an investigation.
Okay, good. Make investigation. Good job. Thank you, Judy. MashaAllah, I can see that you are already there. You understand what you should do. So the answer is
Miss,
she asked a question, write a hypothesis, and planned an experiment. Yes, dear. Who said miss?
me, Maria. Do we write
Isma.
it?
Yes, please. Can you write it? And don't worry about the writing part because I will be sending all these to you through the email.
Miss, what page is this?
It's page 23.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes?
in the last Sum It Up, you didn't send me in the email the answers.
I'm very sure I already sent that, but I can send it again because I always select all the students, not few and few. Okay? Did you all get
You
it,
sent
guys?
it in the website?
Did you get
Yes,
it, guys?
Miss, do we write sample answer?
No, of course.
Okay.
Guys, did you got my email about last Sum It Up?
I don't think.
No.
Are you sure? Okay,
No.
I'll look for it. I will look for it and see if it's there or not, okay? And if it's not, I will be sending it again. Thank you for telling me. Okay, guys, let's agree on something. Don't worry about the writing. Even this one will be sent to you at the end of the day, okay?
Okay.
Good. And our lesson vocabulary, we learned about scientific methods, experiment, variable, and control. Are you familiar with all these word vocabularies?
Yeah.
Everyone, do you have any question about them?
Which
Miss, I don't know what variable means.
Oh, okay. Your friend is asking about the variable. Tala, can you answer that?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what's a variable?
Variable is any condition in an experiment that can be changed. So that means
Excellent. Can you give me
like
that
this.
example of it? Tell me an
Like
example.
the girl that she's putting like sugar and salt and vinegar with water, she is changing the water. So she's putting in the water
Different stuff.
different
Yes.
stuff in the water.
So these different materials or stuff are the variable. Good job, Tala. So dear, look, variable means when you are making an experiment and all the conditions are the same and everything is the same. So you are having in all the cups you are adding water. The basic ingredient is water, and the one changeable thing that you are making is whatever you are adding to it. So this is the variable. Whenever you have one thing you are changing, we call it variable. A variable means changeable. Do you agree, guys? Do you understand now?
Yes.
Do you get it, my dear?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, good. Alhamdulillah. I'm so happy to hear that. Now, girls, open to page 36 with me. Take 2 minutes to think about the answers. Okay, 2 minutes, guys. Think about the answers. And I'll be choosing one by one, okay? Please, yes, you can say, who's you? Just let me see. Tina? Okay, Tina.
Sometimes in the other lessons, I don't get you.
Like what, my dear? What do you don't get?
Like, this one. Not like this one, like last lessons.
What about this lesson? Do you get this lesson?
Yes.
Okay, good. So can you, dear, whenever you have a question, you have to ask me so I can explain more and more for you. Okay? Because here I am here to help you to understand. Okay, my dear?
Okay.
Good. So the outline below is a summary of our lesson, okay? Now we are going to try to solve it. Later we will see our answers if it's right or wrong. First of all, we learned about the scientific methods, okay? The scientific methods all start with question. Is that right? We always start with a question. Is that right, girls?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good. And then, okay, investigations, how they are different. How they are different. Investigation definitely will affect. First of all, with the experiment, and what else? Yes,
I know.
yes, Tala.
Variable and control.
Really?
No. Wait.
What do you use in experiments?
A model.
I know.
Yes, Jude?
A model
Yes.
and
Something you repeat.
I know.
no.
Miss, I know.
Repeated observation.
Excellent, Jude. Now, I want to ask you, Judy, do you know what's a repeated observation?
It's an observation that we repeat.
Yes, excellent. But why do we repeat this observation?
So we understand the
Okay, good answer.
experiment more.
Excellent, good answer. And let me tell you one more thing. My dear, if there is something you cannot control in your experiment, so definitely you need to repeat the observation. For example, you want to observe about the nature. Imagine you want to learn more about volcanoes, or maybe you want to know about the rain, or maybe you want to learn about an animal. How does this animal behave? Do you think that from one experiment or one observation you can learn a lot, or you need to repeat your observation?
Repeat observation.
Excellent. So repeated observation is basically for the things you cannot control. When I ask you, my dear, when you will use repeated observation, what you are going to tell me?
When there's an experiment that I want to learn more about it.
Yes, and can you control this experiment?
No.
Yes, when you cannot control this experiment, you need to repeat your observation. Good job, good job. Now, all have results from which two? Hi, Talia, number 3.
Yes.
Number 3, all have result from which two?
Um. Uh, Design an experiment.
Okay, we will see about that. Now, repeat number 2. The second thing we talk about is repeated observation. A, some things are just too big, too far away, or too controllable for experiments. Examples, volcanoes, and number 2, what can it be? Yes, Judy, what can it be? Me and you just right now, we talked about 2 examples, volcanoes and what? What else? What's something you want to repeat your observation because you cannot control it?
I know.
I want Judy because also Judy, she knows. It's not,
Okay.
it's not necessarily to be the same answer from down there. Okay, when you take upside down the book, you can think of something. What about
Nature.
yes, nature? What about something else? Excellent. This is the right answer, nature. What about something we talked about just now, Judy? I gave you 2
Repeat
examples.
observation.
Repeated observation. We repeat observation about volcano, rain, and what? What else?
About stuff we can't control.
Yes, my dear. Excellent. What about animals? If you want to learn about the deer, how it's behave, do you need to make a repeated observation or not?
Yes.
Yes, good, excellent. Now, dear Jenna, using models, the third thing we talked about, using models needed to understand systems that have many hidden parts, okay? And a type of models, we learned that there are diagrams and flow charts. What are the other types of models other than diagrams? Look at this drawing down there.
Miss, I know.
I want Jenna. Okay, types of models. We can use diagrams. Can we use graphs?
Yes.
Okay, what else?
Mm,
Thank you,
Miss, is
Jenna.
data a model?
Okay, thank you, Jenna. Thank you. Who wants to participate? Mariana, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, dear. Types of models. Types of models can be diagrams and what? 5 and 6. Okay, we'll get back to that. We talked about controlled experiments. First of all, you ask questions, hypothesize. What do you do next, Judy?
We plan an investigation.
Excellent, Tina. We plan investigation or we plan our experiment. We carry out the procedure. After that, what do you do? Sometimes you need to repeat the observation, but sometimes, what is it? Tina, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me the answer, number 8?
Is it analyze date?
Yes, analyze data. You see, data means informations. So after you carry out the procedure, you follow it, you analyze the information. Analyze mean to look at the information you took and try to draw a conclusion, because analyzing data will help you draw conclusions. Good. Organizing and displaying data is the last thing after you finish your investigation or you finish your teaching, knowing about something. You need to display your data. Display your data means to show what did you do, to show what you learned. Data displays help communicate, and it help you when you tell someone about it. When you tell someone about your experiment, it help others to understand you. Kinds of display, of data display, can be a circle graph, and what other stuff? Let's see about them. It can be line graphs, bar graphs, or diagrams. Okay? Mariana, number 5, the one that you didn't answer, can you read it, please? Using models can be what? Types of models, what are they? Number 1 and 2. Mariana?
Yeah.
Types of models, can you read them now?
Diagrams and flow charts.
And
Computer simulation models.
yes, computer simulation models. Guys, to remember when I told you when we want to learn about airplanes or maybe ships, can we just bring an airplane or bring a ship over here and learn about it?
Miss, you can't
No.
because
No.
you can't.
We
Miss, I
can
know
use
why.
computer simulation models. We can use computers programs that are designed just like an airplane to use them as a model and learn about a plane or a ship. Okay, guys, don't worry about the writing. You can write later when I send you the answer key. Now let's open to page 37, guys. Please, please. Start reading, and you have 2 minutes to think of the answers. Then we are going to do it together. Okay, guys? And if you don't understand anything, please ask me. Okay, girls, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. I'm gonna start to put stars now. Read each clue, then find and circle the term in the word search puzzle. Clues, you have the word search puzzle in your book, page 37, okay? When you fill in the blanks over here, I want you to circle it down there, okay, guys? Now,
Miss, can I do the first one?
and you are?
Maria.
Maria. Okay, dear Maria, let's do it. All the ways scientists do investigation.
Scientific methods.
Good job, and you deserve a star. Excellent, Maria. Good job. Let's see. Who wants to participate too?
Me.
Okay, Talia. Number 2. These should be as similar as possible to the real thing. It's very easy.
It's
See?
I know.
Okay.
It's a repeated observation.
Thank you for your try. Great. Give a chance to your friend. Judy, are you ready to do this?
Model. Oh no, I knew it now.
Judy? Judy? Are you there?
Miss, I knew it now. So devastating.
Where is Judy? Is she there?
I thought I was unmuted.
Okay, dear. So these should be as similar as possible to the real thing. It is.
Miss, I know.
And
Miss, I
Judy
knew
knows.
it now.
Also, Judy knows.
I knew it.
If you want to make an experiment and you cannot bring the real thing, you can do something similar to the real thing, similar to the airplane, similar to the ship. What do I call
Computer
it?
model.
Excellent. Good job. It is a model. Excellent. Good job. The part of an experiment used to compare all the other groups. Think of it, guys. Just a minute. Think of it.
Analysis? Miss, is it analysis?
The miss is muted.
Okay, now I'm not muted. Can you tell me? The part of an experiment used to compare all the other groups.
Analysis?
Analyzes. Okay, this can be. We will wait for it until we make sure of the answer. But I loved that you were searching through your books. Good job. Now, what scientists do that is the basis for their investigation. Oh, Tina, what is the first thing that they do? Hi,
Yes, I
Tina.
know.
Tina,
Oh.
what do they do? The first thing of their investigation.
Yes, I know.
Yes, Judy.
Ask question.
Good job. This is a second star for you. Now back to you, Tina, again. Tina, any condition in an experiment that can be changed. The one factor that can you change in an experiment, what do you call it? Oh, I think we are running of time.
I only know number 6. I don't know number 5.
You want to do number 6?
Yes.
Okay, let's do number 6. A type of a graph suited to show change over time. What is it?
Is it line graphic?
Okay, good. Good job. Now, back to number 5. Who knows number 5? Guys, it's very
Me?
easy. Huh? Yes.
Is it variable?
Variable. Good job. Excellent. Okay. And number 7, a statement that can be tested. Oh, statement can be tested. Fayrouz, I want to hear your voice. I missed you. That can be tested, that explain what do you think will happen in an experiment. The second thing you do after asking a question, you give a statement. What is it?
Do I answer?
Yes, number 7.
Okay.
Miss, I know. Miss, I know.
Fayrouz is going to answer.
Okay.
Do you want number 8, Fayrouz?
Okay.
Okay, Amal, can you tell me number 7?
Miss, please, me. Miss, I know.
Amal, I want everyone to participate. That's why I am asking you by names. Amal? Amal is not here. Okay, Judy. Judy? Judy, do you know the answer? Okay, Jenna. Jenna, tell me, Jenna. Number 7 is?
Hypothesize or...
Good job. Good job. Good job. A hypothesis. A hypothesis is the statement that can be tested. Number 8, ya Fayrouz, the steps you follow in your experiment. What do you call it? The proof? Guys, do you want to go to your break or not?
Yes.
Miss, I know the steps though.
Okay, what do I call it? The proof? See? Okay, I'll give you another chance. Find number 9. Now, Tala, do you know number 8? Maria, do you know number 8?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
Number 8 is what? Say it together.
Procedure.
Excellent. Good job. Good job. Excellent. 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 Now, Fayrouz, are you ready to use patterns and observation to see what may happen next? Patterns. Patterns means you are going to see it again and again. Oh, to use patterns and observation to say what may happen next. No, it's not again and again. You are going to think what may happen next. So you are agree? Guys.
Predicting.
Excellent. Good job. Okay, and investigation, that is controlled. What do I call it?
Is it
Experiment.
Let's see the answers. Excellent. Good job. We say experiment. So the first one is scientific methods. Number 2 is models. Number 3, control. 4, ask questions. 5, variable. 6, line graph. 7, hypothesis. Procedure, predict, and experiment. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Good job, everyone. Now, the challenge is how many other important words from this lesson can you find in the word search? Of course, these are my words. You can look for them by yourself. Okay, guys? Now, I'm really sorry because time is up and your break is already started. So I need to stop recording and let you go, guys. Enjoy your break. But please, can you continue the apply concept at home?